Collision Repair Magazine's 2023 EV Repair Tour, supported by Fix Network, has come to a close. We gathered more than a dozen industry experts to speak about the impact of EVs on Canada's collision repair sector across several Canadian cities. We traveled east to west, from Toronto to Saskatoon to Calgary and finally Vancouver, educating and engaging professionals and providing a platform for the latest advancements and developments in EV repair. More than 400 guests attended our EV Repair Tour events, and it's all thanks to you. We couldn't have done any of this without our sponsors. Your commitment to building a better future for the collision repair industry was at the forefront of the EV Repair Tour. Thank you for being a part of the way forward for our industry. Together, we're empowering the collision repair community towards a bright EV future.